Hello and welcome to yet another one of these vlog entries. So as we said last week, you can see quite clearly that this sorting has begun. I'm actually in the way there. There you go. So you can see that that is now being sorted nicely, so that's well on its way to be a nice tidy work area for the intern, which will be starting soon. We've tried once again to smooth out these vlog entries. I'm actually now using one of Rosie's laptops. She's kindly let me borrow a Mac to do this with my webcam and microphone plugged into it. So hopefully this one runs a bit more smoothly than our others have done previously. A bit of an update with our video on Friday, and that one was the soap made from recycled cooking fat, mostly bacon. We have successfully managed to cure our little R2D2s, lavender scented R2D2 soap. So let's have a go with these and see how they work for washing hands. Right, so we've got our homemade soap. Let's see how effective it is. Well, I think we can see that what's left of his arms and legs fall off, but it definitely feels like a bar of soap. So I would say it definitely worked. So with that, the next video is going to be our reappearing, disappearing painting thing. That's going to be using phenolphthalein as an indicator. I don't want to give away too much. Spoiler alert on that one. But that one will hopefully be coming out in English and Welsh. So I know it's been a while since we've done a Welsh language video, but we do really want to get back to that. So fingers crossed everything goes smoothly and I've got time to record 2 separate audio dubs for that. But that's all for this. Thank you very much for watching and enjoy the rest of your week. Thank you very much. Carry on learning. Bye.